everyone at Grange, hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be learning how to make a peanut butter and banana milkshake. Step one is to chop up your banana, put the banana in there, okay, and then we're going to put some milk inside. I'm using almond unsweetened milk, but you can use regular milk or you can use soya milk, it's up to you. Put enough for a glass full. Next we're going to get our peanut butter. Next we're going to put a teaspoon of honey, just to add some sweetness. And the next step is to carefully put on the lid on your blender, make sure it's properly closed, and we're going to switch it on. It smells really good. Let's have a try. Yummy, and so good for you too. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Stick around for more tomorrow. Take care, guys.